Hello everyone, welcome back to Chao. Passion fruit and butterfly pea, green tea and black tea. Here I have butterfly pea tea, which I use dried flowers. I use 2 teaspoons of butterfly pea flowers, soaked it in 1 cup of hot water. And this has been there for now about 10 minutes. So the color is very strong blue. So I'm going to use real passion fruit to flavor our drinks. And we are going to use some simple sugar syrup because I prefer my tea, especially if it's commercial, you would like it to be a little bit sweeter. I'm using 22 ounces cups this time. And first I am going to put my passion fruit. Like and subscribe. Stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you for watching and ciao for now.